83 divided by 8 using the area model. First, do your place values. Put your 8 on the outside, your 83 on the inside, and if you need, write out your times tables. I'm also going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start in our first step of divide. If we have 8 people and we have 8 cookies, how many will they each get? Well, the closest we can get to 8 would be 8. We got that by skip counting one time. But that 1 is really worth 10. So now let's multiply. 10 times 8 is 80. Then we'll subtract. 83 minus 80 is 3. Our next step would be to repeat. So we're going to bring that into our next box to be able to repeat. So let's divide. We have 3 divided by 8. What's the closest we can get to 3 without going over? Well, 8's too many. That means it would be 0. So everyone would get 0. Then when I multiply, 0 times 8 gives us 0. Then we'll subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. Do we have any number or any box to take over into to be able to repeat? No, so we should check. Is 3 smaller than 8? Sure is, so that's going to be our remainder. Our answer comes from what's in the tens place and what's in the ones place. That would give us 10 with a remainder of 3.